In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elfsight widgets in Webflow. We will start inside Elfsight, where you create and customize the widget you want to display on your site. First, log into your Elfsight account or sign up if you are new to the platform. Once you are in, click on Widgets and choose the type of widget you want to use. This could be something like Google Reviews, an Instagram feed, a pop-up, or a social wall, depending on what fits your website best. After selecting your widget, click the option to create the widget for free. Next, choose a template that gives you the look and structure you want. From there, customize the widget so it matches your brand. You can usually adjust things like colors, layout, spacing, and the content that appears inside the widget. This part is important because it helps the widget feel like a natural part of your website instead of something pasted in from another source. Take a moment to preview your changes and make sure everything looks the way you want before moving on. When you are happy with the setup, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Elfsight editor. Elfsight will then generate a unique embed code for that widget. Copy that code carefully, because this is what you will place into Webflow to make the widget appear on your site. Now switch over to Webflow and open your project in the Webflow Designer. In the left toolbar, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon. Scroll down until you find the embed element under the Advanced section. Then drag and drop the embed element into the exact area of the canvas where you want the widget to appear. Keep in mind that using custom embed code in Webflow requires a paid plan, so make sure your project supports that before you continue. As soon as you place the embed element, a custom code editor window will appear. Paste the Elfsight embed code you copied earlier into that box. Then click Save and Close. At this point, the widget is inserted into your page structure. To make it live on your website, click the Publish button at the top right corner of the Webflow interface. Select the domain or domains where you want the changes to go live, and then click Publish to selected domains. Once publishing is complete, visit your live site and confirm that the widget appears correctly and is functioning as expected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.